On this album, I chose to use lyrics written by my favorite Sámi authors, Karani Buljo and Rauni Mangalukari. And only 2 of the songs were my own. Or the third one is one that I sing in a language that doesn't really exist. Or maybe it exists deep, deep inside me. Or who knows, maybe it exists outside me and it just passes through me. I sometimes think maybe one day somebody will come and tell me, I know that language. I know those words. I know that language. It's my language. This is something I think about when I do that song. Many people think it's in Sámi, but it's really in this language that I just let out when me and Sven were working in the studio.